So today I'm about to give you a delicious kale salad recipe with homemade dressing. So make sure you stick around. Alright, so here's what you'll need for that grocery list. Fresh leafy green kale, cucumber, a red apple, lemon, walnuts, raw cashews, raisins, extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, apple cider vinegar, and filtered water. So first, let's start by soaking the cashews. You want to soak these for 20 to 30 minutes in half a cup of water. So now let's get the lemon juice out of that lemon. I'm using one big lemon here, and this will make about a quarter cup. You can also use 2 small lemons to get a quarter cup of lemon juice. So now you want to squeeze that lemon juice out and set it to the side. Make sure you get those seeds out as well. So now make sure your kale is clean and dry before you begin to cut it down. We're going to start by removing the stem from the kale because we are not using the stem. We're only going to use the leafy green parts of the kale. So I'm using 3 kale leaves here, and this was enough to make 2 nice size salads. Okay, so you can use a little less kale if you want to, but I kind of recommend you use the amount that I'm showing you here because you can have one salad for now and one for later. And so after you remove the stem, then you want to chop down the kale because we are not going to eat kale this size. You always want it to be small. It just makes it easier to take it down. Kale is a very strong vegetable, okay, and it can be very bitter. Many people don't like kale, but if you pair it with the right fruit, it can taste so bomb. I love kale salad. Okay, so now we're going to add this to a bowl and we're going to divide this in half. So now to this bowl of kale, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Give that a good toss to make sure the kale is thoroughly coated. And we're going to set this to the side and allow those leaves to soften. So now let's work on the cucumbers. Cucumbers go great in any salad and they go really good with kale. So I'm only using half of this cucumber and I cut that down to small chunks. I'm using 1 whole apple and I'm going to chop this down as well. Apples go great with kale because kale does have a bitter taste to it. So you always want to bring some sweet to your salad, you know, just to spruce it up, make it taste really good. So now let's work on the dressing. We're going to add half of the apples down into the cup, half of the cucumbers, all of the cashews, the remaining lemon juice, and vinegar. Also, you want to add in 1 teaspoon of sea salt and half a cup of filtered water. Then you want to blend it on high until the dressing is creamy. So this is the amount that I have here, and this is what the dressing looks like. This was about 1.5 cups, which is more than enough for 2 salads. So you can refrigerate any leftovers and it should last for about 4 days in your refrigerator. So now let's assemble the salad. You're going to add the kale in the bowl, the dressing, the walnuts, raisins, cucumbers, and the remaining apples. Okay, you can drizzle a little more dressing on top if you like. I sprinkled some cracked peppercorn on top. Don't judge me, it was really good. So this salad was really delicious. I know that you guys will love this salad. So if you try this, come back and let me know what you think, and I hope to catch you in my next video.